My name is Irina, and listen to me carefully. Today, we are going to learn new words, and we are going to discuss the topic traveling, staying at a hotel. Let's get started. Every summer, I love to travel. I go on vacation from June till August. Usually, I book a hotel in advance because it's cheaper and you can get a very good discount. Once I arrive at the airport, I go to the check-in desk. The check-in desk is the first desk that you can see where you say, "Hello, my name is Irina Movsisyan, and here is my reservation. Could you give me my boarding pass?" So the assistant at the registration desk gives you your ticket, gives you your boarding pass. You take your pass and you go to the departure gate. At the departure gate, you're waiting for the time to departure. The plane takes off. It takes you maybe a couple of hours to reach the destination. The plane lands and you get out of your plane and start looking for your luggage. Once you find your luggage, you take a taxi and you arrive at your hotel. You enter the lobby of the hotel and you go to the registration desk. You come up to the receptionist. The receptionist is the person who is going to help you to check in your room. You give her your passport. You give her maybe the money or your booking, and she provides you with a key. She provides you with a room key. You take your luggage, you take your room key, and you go upstairs. Maybe you will use an elevator, or maybe you will go on foot. You find your room, you open the door, or you unlock the door. You unlock the door with the key. It can be a regular key or an electronic key. So you open the door with an electronic key. You enter your room and you start settling in. Settling in means that you take off your clothes, maybe you take a shower, maybe you get a candy and a cup of coffee. You relax in your room. You put your things where they should be. Once you settled in and you are relaxed, you want to explore the surroundings. So you get out of your hotel and you start walking around. Maybe you want to find a place to eat and experience the local cuisine. Maybe you want to go to a bar or a party. Maybe you want to chat with the locals. You start getting to know the culture. You start getting to know the people. You start getting familiar with the environment. Environment, it's everything that surrounds you. Voila! This is our small text. If we study with you one-on-one, if you are my student for private classes, please learn this text by heart. Come to my class and tell me the text, so I will ask you questions using the vocabulary that you just learned. If you are a regular viewer on YouTube, please write down this text in your copybook and try to learn it by heart, because it is filled with so many good words that you can use when you're traveling. So I advise you to write down the text and learn it by heart. My name is Irina. I advise you to purchase my book with the audiobook where you can learn more popular texts and topics that will help you in the future to use the English language at the hotel, at a hospital, on the beach, and maybe just in the city or with your friends. The book is great. I will leave the link in the description below. My name is Irina and you're watching shkolapoliglotov.com. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. Love you. Bye.